Yeah. World of Warcraft. Yeah. Anyway, oh, by the way, hello viewers. Me again. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work, health and strength is good. Or excellent. Alright. Now, what I got for you guys. Wait a minute, where's video cards? I gotta get to that Intel went open source, so yeah. So now Intel, Nvidia and AMD open source. Yeah. Wait a minute. Video cards. That's what I'm looking for. Video cards. Yeah. Keep you guys in the loop, man. Keep you guys up to date and informed. Let's see, where's this video at? Let's see. Okay. What's this? Oh, here's one. Okay, so Intel investigate CPU overhead issues with ARC GPUs and older processors. Well, you got to do that. Especially in a market like this. But the one that I'm trying to get to, where is it? See if I can find it here. Was talking about they going open source. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Intel's on the AI train now. Let's see what we got. How many comments we got on this? About 8. Okay. It says Intel release AI playground software for generative AI as open source. Okay. It says Intel is open sourcing its platform for generative AI. So everybody's all on. So Intel, AMD, and Nvidia is all on the AI train now. Yesterday, AMD announced an important update to its generative AI acceleration in collaboration with Tensor Stack and Stability AI. They develop optimized AI models for their Radeon RX 9070 and Ryzen AI Max series. Generative AI acceleration on consumer hardware is gaining a lot of attention right now, and there is also a new update from Intel. Intel was one of the first GPU vendors to develop its own tool for generative AI. Their AI playground is designed for ARC GPUs, including integrated Meteor Lake, Lunar Lake, Arrow Lake. The AI playground is much more than just an image generation tool. Intel referred to it as an AI hub because it can also support chat LLMs. Many believe that this is one of the easiest to use tools for generative AI. But the problem is that it only supports Intel hardware. So we got a video here too. And then it says this may change at some point, as Intel has just open sourced this software. You can download, customize it, and simply contribute to main branch, according to Guy Tamir, evangelist and director of One AI at Intel. And then it says AI playground support, image diffusion, stable diffusion, 1.5 SDXL, Flux 1, SCHNL, LX video, Safe Tensor, PyTorch, LLM, DeepSeek, R1 models, what's this, Phi 3, Qwen 2, Mistral, Guff, LLM, Llama 3.1, Llama 3.2, OpenVINO, Tiny, Llama, Mistrap 7B, FIS Mini, FIS 5 Mini. Yeah. What it says here, Intel open source efforts are something everyone should be keen on supporting. However, we are still waiting for the full open source access to Intel XeS technology. The company launched XeSS but has not yet open sourced the previous version. Perhaps it never will happen despite previous promise. And what else we got here? Okay, that should do it. So, well, they got one part of open source they gotta address. That's with the XCSS. So, with the comments, what do we got on the comments? Let's see what these politicians talking about. And then Lee said this: link it, or it didn't happen. Then Beef said this: so this works with NVIDIA GPUs now? Question mark. And then Luker said this: no, just means community can mod it or take part to use elsewhere. You are still out of luck on NVIDIA in Windows until someone makes one for NVIDIA. And then Luker says, so now people can make modification to this software like adding DeepSeek. That could be nice. The software is easier to use than shopping online, and it's offline for those who care about that. I also have a 3080, haven't figured out how to use that for AI. And then Luker said this, Ray said this: open AI is not open. How ironic. And then Andre said this: the tools everyone used for NVIDIA, like Comfy UI, were always open source. AMD and Intel are delusional with their single vendor AI toys. They should be investing into the back end, not trying to replace front end and popular workflow, which with irrelevant apps no one will use. But I guess the clueless board of directors were pleased with PowerPoint presentation about these useless toys. Hey AMD and Intel, do you want to make AI money? Push for hardware agnosticism. Make CUDA kernel irrelevant. A new paradigm like Tiny Grad or something similar. You're not in the position to invest in properly tools and models that only work with your hardware, no matter how much your investors salivate at these ideas. That's absolutely insane to even consider when your market share is 0. And then who was this? Anonymous said this: look at Intel share price. I don't think investors are salivating for anything about Intel. And then Ray said this: to be honest, Amuse is much more user-friendly than any other software out there. Consider that it uses direct ML. It should work on any GPUs. Well, I would say what, probably Intel has some growing up to do in that part of the market, as far as AI goes, making their stuff open source. Maybe AMD got some things they need to work on, and so do NVIDIA. But you know, Intel, I think Intel is playing it cautious when it comes to this AI stuff. You know, maybe there's more stuff they need to learn. They need to learn about it before they can actually make it happen. You know, so yeah, or maybe there's some things they got to clear up. You know, so give it time, but it's a start though with this AI stuff for them. You know, when AI came out, NVIDIA was all on board. They jumped head first. They didn't even think. And next thing you know, they're up in the $3 trillion club. So AMD followed suit, and now Intel. You know, so yeah, AI it is. You know, but yeah, but there's still some concerns about it. You know, as far as AI goes. But I guess you just live and you learn in this world. But yeah, but good for them though, for getting on board with this AI stuff. There's a video here, so I will leave it. See how long this video is. 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 minute and 40 seconds. So I'll leave the video in the description box. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, nice talking to you people again. Crystal, Star Wars, such a thing. Borg, Dark Side. Go. Peace.